my name is Alexis Palfreman. I'm gonna be working on the shape of a moon, as you can see here. So I started by setting a diff and giving it a specific ID of moon because that's the shape that I'm going to be working with. Now moving on to CSS, I call that ID moon, and then I start by giving it a width and a height. It's important that for my type of shape, I give the same width and height. So for example, if I have 120 width, I also give 120 height. Okay, so I'm just gonna add something here so that we can see the changes. All right, so I give it 120 width and 120 height. So that's how big my shape is going to be. The border radius is really important because that's what helps us give it that curve that it needs in order for it to look like a moon and not look like an L or whatever this looks like. Okay, so the radius, let's try a 30. Yeah, it's close but not quite there. So let's try with a 50. There it is. Now I think that my moon is a little bit skinny, so that's why I have this box shadow here, okay? So for the box shadow, this and this, the 10 pixels and 10 pixels that I have to do with the half parts of my moon. So for example, if I were to take this off, it kind of just takes this 10 pixels and that's why it turns. So what I want to do is I want to make it a little bit thicker. So the 10 was a little bit skinny for me. So let's make it a 30 and give this one a 30 as well so that my moon can turn a little bit like this and is not so, straight vertical. Okay, there you go. So that's what the box shadow did. The 0 and 0 are there because we're not working with the other side of my canvas, if that makes sense. Okay, and then the pink, I can give it whatever color I want, right? I like the light blue. So there's my shape. I hope this made sense. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you and bye.